Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make cucumber chutney. For that I have taken one cucumber, peeled and cut it into chunks. Few coriander stems I have taken. Quarter cup coconut grated I have taken. A small piece of ginger, salt, 2 tablespoons of curd. We'll grind to a smooth paste this. If you want, you can give tempering with mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, and red chilli. I have also added green chilli for spice. According to your requirement, you can take it. The chutney is ready. We'll temper now. Oil I have kept. Mustard seeds. Urad dal. Curry leaves. A pinch of asafoetida. This can be served along with dosa chutney, dosa idli, upma. I have prepared Concord ready-made sevai. I am going to serve this chutney along with this sevai. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.